Welcome. Feeling jubilant to see you all. In this session, today I am going to commence a concept. I am going to begin. I am going to talk about a concept of using the phrase called going to. This is a very big concept. I mean, this session is regarding grammar topic. Okay. In this session, we are going to discuss about concept of using the phrase called going to. As you can see, first question: what is the use of going to? What is the contraction of going to? What are the examples of going to? I will tell you. Based on these questions, we will describe about the details of concept of using the phrase going to. I will tell you. First, we are going to discuss about what is the use of going to. Going to, now going to is the phrase which belongs to the future to be forms or auxiliary verbs. Okay, AV. Going to is the phrase which belongs to the future to be forms or AV means auxiliary verbs. Going to is a part of future to be forms. Which are those future to be forms? Shall or will. These are the future to be forms, future to be auxiliaries. Okay, and going to is a part of these to be forms. Means, what is the contraction of first? What is the use? Use means instead of shall or will, you have to use at that place going to. That is the use of going to. Now, what is the contraction of going to? The contraction of going to is going, going plus to is equals to gonna. Okay, this is a very precious contraction in the use of English. Okay, gonna is going plus to equals to gonna is the contraction of going to. Okay, this is the second question. And third concept: what are the examples of going to? I will tell you. Third one, examples: I will discuss about. I will discuss about a concept. Here, I am going to discuss about a concept. You have to use like that. You have to use here going to. That's all. And another one. I will commence a grammar topic. Here you have to remove will or you have to remove shall. Instead of these forms, you have to use going to. Phrase going to. This will be also correct. And this is a future phrase. I mean future to be formed. Okay. I hope you understood. If you want to take screenshot, I have no any objections. You can take. But here, you have to keep in your mind, if you use this future to be formed in the use in your daily life, you will understand what is the use of going to. Okay, use more examples, you will understand. Okay, thank you.